In both tests, the water begins to flow towards the dam and the path quickly widens. Eventually, water gets through the dam and begins to create waterways. In test 1, the main path is going through the middle and soon takes a turn to the right, then erodes more sediment. In test 2, the path is created flowing straight to the right. As water continues to move within this path, sediment is eroded, which causes an overflow of water towards the end.
The overall test shows that as the depth decreases, the width increases. The range of the width is from 1 centimeter to 50 centimeters. 50 centimeters is the largest point of the width and is also the point where the depth is at 1 centimeter.
Overall, as the width was increasing, the depth was decreasing. We can predict that the depth will decrease at a rate of 0.14 during a similar flooding event because the slope is negative 0.14. That means that the relationship between the width and depth decreases.
When you install a dam, it cools down the water temperature before the dam because it backs up all of the water and a large amount of water is hard to heat up. After the dam, the water temperature is warmed up because there is less water for the sun to warm up, so it heats it up more than usual. This will affect a lot of the animals in the river. Here's an example. Let's say there's a rainbow trout that lives in fast-moving river water. When the dam is installed, there is no more fast-moving water, so the trout would die off and will be replaced by a bass or a catfish that like not moving or very slow-moving water. This would throw everything off its natural course, even to its largest fish or to its smallest bacteria. This graph shows that the water temperature is in a constant rate of change and can be predicted to increase at a rate of 0.4 after a dam is installed. This means that when you take the temperature of a collection point and multiply it by 0.4 and add the slope intersect, which is 19.78, you will be able to predict future temperature changes before and after the dam. The slope is y equals 0.04 times x plus 19.78.
A dam affects a river extremely whether it is water, temperature, or width and depth. A dam causes a drastic change in a river. The water temperature increased a lot after the dam was placed. Width and depth change because the river becomes wider and forms more depth, causing the measurements to be larger. We found out that if dams were placed all over the country, that the water temperature would rise, and that would be bad for the environment around it.